Ready, one, two, three. Chef, cutting master. What is this, bro?
This is rabbit meat.
Sure, are you sure?
Yes.
Damn. How was the price?
750 টাকা কেজি।
715 টাকা।
1030 টাকা নিছে।
Oh, it's too much expensive. Do you know?
শর্টের তোলা 80 টাকা।
Ah, I told you. Okay, now you will cutting.
মুরগি মাংসের মতো।
Yeah, similar of chicken.
হুম।
Okay. Okay, you are doing slice.
These are wings. Rabbit wings.
It also wings. No.
Rabbit wings.
Sure.
Yes, rabbit wings.
Wings. What is this?
কলিজা ব্যবসা।
Okay.
The kidneyটা।
Tanvir bro will cook. He told me.
কুক করুক যেটা করুক মজা হইতে লাগবে কোনো কথা নেই।
Okay. Farooq bro, is this Farooq?
Yes.
Hey Farooq bro, learn something from Tamim bro. He's expert. He's a chef. He learned something from Danmundi. Danmundi?
Yes.
Yeah.
This blood.
Yeah. It's bleeding. Bleeding. No, no, no. Enough?
Enough.